We've been investing in research for over 30 or 40 years, and about every 10 to 12 years, we need to put a new research building up to accommodate more talented scientists. Research Building 4 will represent about 300,000 square feet of dedicated research space. We currently have around 550,000 square feet, so this will be a significant increase. The Centers for Gene Therapy, the Center for Childhood Cancer Research, the Institute for Genomic Medicine, and the Center for Regenerative Medicine will be the initial occupants. All of those centers are having significant impact on pediatric health as we speak.
We're at a point where we have many investigators around the world coming to our institution to have us either help them with their own work or learn to do different procedures that we can only do here. We've outgrown our lab. At certain points, we've actually had to stop our work because of a lack of space. So this additional space will enable us to continue to move forward.
The amount and type of work that we're doing will be dramatically addressed by a number of new instruments. Genomics is always, from a technology standpoint, changing. Many of these new instruments will allow us to do higher resolution, much more rapidly, and with fewer errors.
The other thing is it allows us to get everybody configured in a way that we're a bit more of a neighborhood where we've got that team science environment. And you see that happening in the Research Institute and in the hospital.
We've been able to develop really wonderful bridges between the bench and the bedside.
It's pretty rare. We have a lot of researchers who in any other setting would never have access to patients and patient materials. So the ability to gather those materials, to speak to patients, to understand what the diseases look like is really instrumental. For us, it's very important to be close to the Institute for Genomic Medicine. We study tumor genetics and tumor mutations, and ability to run up and down the stairs and talk with our colleagues is just incredibly important.
We are expanding our gene therapy faculty. It's incredibly rewarding. The first systemic gene therapy for spinal muscular atrophy was developed here. The trials were performed here that led to its approval. There are things just as exciting coming down the road.
Research is innovation. What we're particularly proud of here at Nationwide Children's Hospital is how many of our discoveries have spawned a biotechnology industry that is beginning to form in Central Ohio. And our early stage success was in the gene therapy space, but more recently we're having that success in infectious disease, in technology, in cancer immunotherapy. Ultimately, all of this is about trying to have greater impact on child health. There's no better motivation than to try to discover cures and better treatments for children who suffer from diseases, and we're doing that every day here.